Today I am here with Diasys Respons 920, and the problem which we are going to solve this is related to the photometer. Here this customer have the UPS, and because of the high voltages it was damaged, and after that the customer directly connected the analyzer with the power supply. So because of that it damages many things in the analyzer, and especially damage the photometer assembly. So today we are going to replace the photometer assembly. I think before that I never uploaded any video in which I am going to replace the photometer assembly. So today we will learn how to replace the photometer assembly, and after that we will see the results. Hopefully everything will be okay after replacing the photometer assembly. Let's start my today's video. So guys, analyzer is okay now, and now let me show you the gain value of the photometer as well as the qubit condition. So everything is within the range, and the range of this gain is between 350 up to 900. Let me show you the cell blank, means the condition of the qubit. So you can see now all are within the range from 0.01 up to 0.2. If you like my today's video, for the support of channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again with another video. Till that time, bye bye.